guys, it's me Pirate. So in this video I am going to explain to you the blocks we've used for the Pokemon game. Since most of the videos I'm sure my explanation is not clear enough, so in this video we are only going to the explanation. So this is what we've done so far. Right now we can only use Quarter. You can check what Pokemon we've got. Oops. Wait. I need to put it here then. Here. Then we can encounter Pokemon. We cannot use this yet. It does nothing when you type the number or type the move. So in this video I'm just going to the explanation. Now let's start with this guy here, your Pokemons. So let's see. Oh my god, I'm sure there's so much blocks to explain. We start with this block right here. So when flag click the party block is deleted. Will be deleted. Not the party list will be deleted, but then the items that is in the party. For example, if there's Quarter in the party, this Quarter will be deleted when you click on the green flag. So just like here, if this is moves, all the items in this move will be deleted. Tackle and Bubble will be deleted, but then this is party. Next, point in direction 90 degrees. So it will point in direction 90 degrees, which is pointing here. And then delete all of Pokemon Scott. So for example, if there's something in Pokemon Scott, let's just restart. Squirtle. Wait, I'm sorry. Wait, what is happening? I think there's an error. Okay. Pokemon Scott. So when you click on the green flag, it will delete all of Pokemon Scott. And next, switch costume to Bulbasaur, which is this one. So when you click on the green flag, it will delete all of party, point direction 90, delete all of Pokemon Scott, and it will switch costume to Bulbasaur. It will hide, so it won't show at the first. Go to X162 minus 83, which is here. I think there's something wrong with the programming. And then it will forever, this will happen forever if backdrop equals to B2, which is this backdrop 2. It will set size to 100%, show, and if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, it will say Bulbasaur is now a Pokemon for 2 seconds. Then it will set starter, the variable starter, to Bulbasaur if you choose Bulbasaur. But now it's Squirtle because just now I chose Squirtle. And add Bulbasaur to the party. And it will broadcast message 1. So it will broadcast message 1 to some of the sprites here. And I'll explain it to you later on. And it will set backdrop to B3, which is this backdrop. This backdrop. Okay. And if backdrop equals to B3 is this backdrop, set size to 50%, half of the size, and switch backdrop to backdrop 3, and it will switch backdrop to this backdrop, and it will go to x negative 194 y 132, which is right here. And it will switch costume to starter, which is it will switch costume to the thing inside the variable. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the sprites that got the broadcast message 1. I actually forgot which sprite is it. Maybe which sprites. Yes, this. So when I receive message 1, which is the broadcast just now, it will hide and stop other scripts in the sprite. It will stop this script. Maybe that's the same as Squirtle right here. Yes, it is. So it will stop the script, this script, and this script. And here, this one is just like the Bulbasaur just now, but then it's all Squirtle. And it's same for Charmander. Okay, now let's go to this Pokemon logo. Wait. This script is the same, but then without this stop this script. It's without stop this script, and without this add starter to Pokemon Squad. And it has delete all of Pokemon Squad, which is actually right here. Okay, now let's go to the Pokemon logo. Now it's only easy one. Flag click forever if backdrop is to be too high. When flag click, show go to x0 y222, glide 1 second to x0 y100. And this is this sprite, no, here, the sprite here. This, what is it? Wait. Oh, yes, is the click anywhere to start. Next is, so this one, flag click, it's like Poke logo, but then this is different. Next is this sprite. it does many coding. It does codings for some other sprites, and no, this sprite is nothing. This sprite is only for scripting, only for the script. So now once I click forever, if backdrop equals to b4, drop equals to b4. Yes, this one. If backdrop equals to b4, delete all of show list moves. If Pokemon using equals quota, delete all moves, add tackle to moves, add bubble to moves. So if it equals to quota, it will add the move tackle and the move bubble. Wait, I think I'm going to do it to I'm going to do it to Bulbasaur and Charmander first, so you can follow what I do. So now I guess um now we can use Bulbasaur and Charmander too. Let's try it out. I'm going to Pokemon. Okay, it works for Charmander. How about for Bulbasaur? It works for Bulbasaur. I just use the moves I remember in Pokemon. I can't think of other moves, other normal type moves other than Tackle and Scratch. That's why there's two Pokemon using Tackle, yes. And anyway, now we're going to this script, like this code right here. Once I click set backdrop to B1, which is this backdrop, the red backdrop, this backdrop to backdrop 1. Then forever, if backdrop is to backdrop 1, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Forever, if backdrop equals B1, switch backdrop to backdrop 2, set backdrop to B2. So if backdrop equals to B1, oh yes, and mouse down, switch backdrop to backdrop 2, set backdrop to B2. So if it equals to this backdrop, this red backdrop, and you click anywhere, it will switch backdrop to backdrop 2, which is the backdrop, while you choose your starter and set backdrop to B2. So now there is this backdrop, the looks backdrop, and the variable backdrop. The variable backdrop is for let's see, like for example, if the variable backdrop equals to for example B1, this Pokemon logo will show, and for this for this looks backdrop, it will change the backdrop into the backdrop which you code it to change to. Now the backdrop is B1 because it's this red backdrop right here. we're done for this sprite right here. Now go on to go on to this code. This code, what's this? Button 3. Which one is button 1? Where do I find button 3? So I don't think there's button 1 right here. There's no button 1. So right here, on flag click hide list Pokemon squad. This is the list I showed you to you just now. Forever, if it goes to B3, show if touching mouse pointer. If touching mouse pointer, set size to 120%, else set size to 100%. Okay, this one, oh, this one is just a duplicate of this, a duplicate of that. There. If background equals to B3 and touching mouse pointer and mouse down, it will show this Pokemon card and broadcast close. This one, when I receive encounter Pokemon, equals to hide. So the button is here, broadcast encountering Pokemon. And for this one, broadcast close, it will go to this sprite. When I receive close, forever, if backdrops to backdrop B, show if touching mouse pointer, set size to 120%, else set size to 100%. When I receive close, forever, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down and backdrop equals to B3, hide list Pokemon squad, hide, stop other scripts in sprite, stop this script. So for this button, you click on it, it will broadcast the close. Then when you click on this button right here, it will hide the list Pokemon squad. Next, for this encounter Pokemon button, I showed you a bit just now. This one, if I click hide, forever, if backdrop is to B3, this backdrop show if touching mouse pointer set size to 120%, else set size to 100%. So it's like this backdrop and this one. And so when this is clicked, when this spot is clicked, just like that one, set size to set backdrop to B4, switch backdrop to forest. Wait a minute, forest? Oh yes, this forest. Set switch backdrop to forest, hide, broadcast, and encountering Pokemon, which is this. When I receive encounter Pokemon, it will hide. I'm just going to delete this. What else have the script when I receive encountering Pokemon? Oh, there. When I receive encountering Pokemon, set rotation style left right, so it can turn upside down if it's left right. You can switch it to don't rotate or all around, which is okay. All around is where you can turn it all around 360 degrees. Don't rotate means don't rotate. Left right means you can't rotate up or down. Points in direction -90. So actually, if you don't add this block right here, set rotation style left right, it will turn upside down, but then point in direction -90. Set size to 100%, go to x151, y 74. Go to x negative 151, y negative 74. So let's see. Okay, this one, enemy. So the Pokemon you encounter. Let's start with the shorter script. When green flag clicked hide forever if backdrop equals to b4, which is this backdrop, yes. Show else hide. Oh, that's easy. When I receive encounter Pokemon, the message from this sprite forever set all Pokemon to pick random 1 to 100. So pick random is a block so that you can pick random stuff. For example, set a variable number to pick random 1 to 10. It will pick random number between 1 and 10. No, between 0 and 11. So it can't be more than 10, it can be less than 1. Like when you start the script, you will pick random number 5, 4, 7, 9. I don't think that's 9.5. Actually, I don't really know. So if wild Pokemon, this script equals to if wild Pokemon is bigger than 0, but then smaller than 31, it will set to Caterpie. If wild Pokemon bigger than 30, but smaller than 61, it will become Weedle. So this is actually supposed to be Weedle right here. If wild Pokemon is bigger than 60, but smaller than 91, it becomes Ghastly. If wild Pokemon is bigger than 90, but smaller than 99, it will become Dratini. If wild Pokemon is bigger than 98, but smaller than 101, it becomes Lugia. Lugia, the legendary Pokemon. A Gen 2 legendary Pokemon. This right here. Should I change? Okay, I don't care. So now let's try to get lucky. I only do it once. Charmander. Weedle again. So I don't care. To the next sprite, the final sprite. This sprite. Phew. When flag click forever, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, this ask nothing and wait. Yes. So it will ask nothing. Actually, you can add something here, like hello. I'm going to Pokemon, fight. See, it will ask hello. Actually, it's not asking, but then if it's blank, it will ask nothing. I wish I could add a run button right now. See, it asks nothing. But this one, we haven't scripted this one yet, so we can't use it yet. So when flag click forever, if backdrop equals to b4, which is this backdrop for us, show, and if touching mouse pointer set size to 120, else set size to 100, else for this one, else hide. If backdrop is to b4, show else hide. Okay, I think I've explained all. How about this? There's no script here. I think I've explained all the blocks in this game we're working on right now. So I hope you understand me. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video, share it to the whole world, subscribe. Goodbye.